Hallo Kinder, welcome to my channel Lerne Deutsch. Today we are going to learn about the animals in German. Let's begin. Die Tiere. Die Tiere. Der Hund. Der Hund. The next one. Die Katze. Die Katze. The next one. Die Kuh. Die Kuh. The next one. Der Elefant. Der Elefant. The next one. Der Löwe. Der Löwe. Der Tiger. Der Tiger. The next one. Die Ziege. Die Ziege. Das Pferd. Das Pferd. Der Esel. Der Esel. Das Reh. Das Reh. Das Schwein. Das Schwein. The next one. Die Giraffe. Die Giraffe. The next one. Das Schaf. Das Schaf. Let's look at the next one. Der Affe. Der Affe. Die Schildkröte. Die Schildkröte. The next one. Der Hase. Der Hase. Der Fisch. Der Fisch. Das Krokodil. Das Krokodil. Der Frosch. Der Frosch. Let's look at the next one. The mouse. The mouse. Die Schlange. Die Schlange. Now let's do an exercise. Was passt zusammen? It literally means what suits together, which is nothing but match the following. Let's begin. Was ist das? Der Tiger. Der Löwe. Das Reh. The mouse. Now let's do the matching of the words. First picture that you see is der Tiger. The second picture that you see is der Löwe. What is the third picture? Das Reh. And the last one is the mouse. The mouse. The next one. Was ist das? Der Elefant. Das Krokodil. Die Schlange. Der Frosch. Let's match. What is the first picture that you see? Der Elephant. The second picture is das Krokodil. What is the third picture that you see? Die Schlange. And the last one is der Frosch. Der Frosch. The next one. Was ist das? Der Hund. Der Fisch. Der Hase. Die Schildkröte. Das Schwein. Now let's match the words. The first picture that you see is der Hund. Der Fisch. The next picture that you see is der Hase. The fourth picture that you see is die Schildkröte. And the last one is das Schwein. Das Schwein. Let's proceed. Der Affe. Das Schaf. Die Giraffe. Der Esel. Now let's match the picture and the word. The first picture that you see is der Affe. The next one is das Schaf. The third picture that you see is die Giraffe. And the last picture that you see is der Esel. Der Esel. The next one. Was ist das? Das Pferd. Die Ziege. Die Katze. Und was ist das? Die Kuh. Now let's match the word and the picture. The first picture that you see is das Pferd. The next picture that you see is die Ziege. The third picture that you see is die Katze. And the last picture that you see is die Kuh. Die Kuh. Now let's identify the audio and guess the animal. Let's begin. Can you guess the animal? Der Hund. Der Hund. Which animal is this? Das Pferd. Das Pferd. Can you guess the animal? Der Tiger. Der Tiger. Which animal is this? Der Elephant. Der Elephant. Can you guess the animal? Der Esel. Der Esel. Which animal is this? Die Ziege. Die Ziege. Die Katze. Die Katze. Which animal is this? Die Kuh. Die Kuh. Danke. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Danke. Tschüss.